Hey guys, this is your tutorial for Wednesday, February 3rd. To get credit for your asynchronous day, you have got to fill out this attendance link. It automatically populates into a spreadsheet for us, and that's how we do our attendance. So make sure you fill out the attendance link. Couple of reminders for today. You know, on Wednesdays, we typically do our Ed puzzles. So today's Ed puzzle is titled DNA, Chromosomes, Genes, and Traits. And it will be posted in Google Classroom under the Classwork tab. Ed puzzle typically flows at the top of the page, so it should be the most recent assignment underneath of the Classwork tab. Now you need to make sure you are working on your Punnett Square vocab because that is due on Thursday the 11th, which also means that's when you are going to have a quiz on Punnett Squares. So I screenshotted the video down here at the bottom, as you can see. It is an Amoeba Sisters video, so those are kind of interesting and funny. So it's not too long. The questions pop up as you go. So make sure as you're watching it, if you need to replay a portion of it before you answer a question, do that because this is for a grade. Okay? These are graded and it does go into PowerSchool. This is your only assignment to get done today. And if you enjoy having Ed puzzles and being done within 10 minutes on Wednesdays, you need to make sure you are doing your Ed puzzles. All right? So that's your only thing to get accomplished today. If you'd like to get ahead after your Ed puzzle and work on your vocab, that would be a brilliant idea. But if you're having problems with Ed puzzle or any issues, make sure you reach out to your teacher and we will help you. Thanks.